Hello dear students, welcome to Financial Accounting Bank Reconciliation Station chapter last problem. So today I am going to finish this chapter. Whatever problems I taught, if you be in thorough, definitely you can work out any kind of problem. So this problem also we are going to take two books, cash book, passbook, both the books are given. From this you have to calculate BRS. In the previous problem same month it was given, cash book March month, passbook March month. Now this problem is different. March month cash book is given, passbook is here April, next month. So how do you work out? For this first simple I'll tell you. So from the cash book we'll start with the balance. Balance is here 9,375. With this balance we'll start the problem. What is this balance? Debit balance. Debit side items are more, credit side are less. So the balance is 9,375 which represents debit side. So cash book debit balance. Cash book debit balance means favorable balance. So first we'll draw this. So what do we take? Bank balance as per cash book. As per cash book 9,375. Cash book debit balance means what is the formula? Passbook is more, add passbook is less, deduct it. On this basis we are going to work out. Now simple logic I'll tell you. Cash book debit side items. Debit side means receipts, all the receipts, and cash book credit side means payments. When you are depositing any check, you'll write it on the debit side. It is representing or it is sending to the bank for collection. If the bank is collecting, it will appear in the passbook same month. March month passbook only. But for us it is given April month. It means debit side items whenever it is matching with deposit, if it is matching, then you can say that the checks represented for checks deposited but not represented for payment. When it is not represented, by the end of March. By the end of March it is not represented. That is why you are finding in the month of April. April month you are finding this check. That is why you are finding here. Those transactions only we are going to take. Still confused? We'll work out the problem. You'll get the clarity. First one is that balance. Anyway, we have started with 9,375. Bank balance as per the passbook. Favorable balance that we have taken. Now debit side, what do we have? All the receipts. Das check is, opening balance need not to consider. Das check is here 500. Are you finding Das check debit to deposits? Are you finding Das check here 500? Not finding. It means it's already credited in the same month only. Same month means March month only it is credited. Not finding in the April means same March month we got it. So nothing to worry. So this we don't consider into the BRS. In the same way 4,000. 4,000 check we have deposited on 13th day. J day check. J day. Are you finding J day? 4,000 rupees check. This is also not there. Means it is also credited in the same March month only. April month it is not there, means it is credited in the same month. Next, C Lal check 1200. Yeah, this is here. C Lal check 1200. So this is 1200 check we have sent on March 12th, March 18th. This is you are finding here April 11th with some discount, with some charges they have charged. So instead of 1200, 1198 it is showing on the credit side of credit side of passbook. When April means check deposited but not cleared in the month of March. Remember this. In the same way, we'll check it out. 2200 A Buman. 2200 A Buman. This check is also 2200. A Buman check is also, we have sent for collection but collected in the month of April. Means checks deposited but not collected in the same month. And Bose 5700. D Bose check is also here. This is also. Next G1 3425. 3425. Yeah, this one also. Four checks, 2200 here, 1200 here, 5700 is here, and 3425 here. Four checks deposited but not credited by the bank in the month of March. So we are finding in the month of April. So March month they did not clear. Now how do we treat this? Checks deposited but not credited by the bank. Checks deposited means we'll write it on the debit side. 1200, 2200, 5700 and 3425. Four checks deposited but not credited in the month of March. Not credited. So what is the effect? Cash book is more. When cash book is more, passbook is here, not credited, no, so passbook is less. When passbook is less, we have to deduct it. Now we are going to deduct this. What do we say? Checks deposited but not credited by the bank. But not credited by bank or credited by the bank. How many checks? 1200 plus 2200, 5700 and also 3425. This is we have checked from debit to that is deposit side. Deposit to there we need not to check because it's not required to tally because this is April. April, why do you want to tally with March? Not possible. No? So that is why only one side we have checked. In the same way, payment side to withdrawal side we'll check now. This to withdrawals. This we are going to check. Easy to check because check number is given. Directly check. Okay. Now we'll see. First one is the drawings. 526 check we have given for drawings. 526. Are you finding 526? No. It's not there means same month it is withdrawn. Check issued, withdrawn in the same month. It doesn't make any difference here. In the same 527 check, it is also not there. Means same month it is withdrawn. 528, it is also not there. Next 529, not there. 530, yeah, it is there. 530 check is 1550. 530. Oh, sorry, it's here, no? 530 check is here, 800. 800 you are finding here. It means house rent purpose I gave a check of 800 rupees. Check issued, but it is represented for payment in the next month. Means same month it is not represented. So how will be that effect? Checks I am issuing. Which check 800 I have issued, but it is not represented for payment. There is no entry in the passbook. In the same way 531, it is also issued but represented for payment next month. Means we have to prepare for March month. March month also it is not there. Next 1600 check. 1600 also N Kumar. 532 check. 532 check also it's here. These three checks we have issued but not represented for payment in the month of March. So that is why you are finding in the April month. But we are preparing this BRS as on March month only. So you can write here BRS as on 31st March, year is not given, that's all. So by this period, you know the columns, na, particulars, amount, amount. By this period, these 3 checks we have issued, not represented by April, by March month. So 800, 400 and 1600. 3 checks we have issued but not represented for payment. In passbook there is no entry. Cash book we have issued, so there is an entry on the payment side. Payment side means it is cash book is decreasing. When cash book decreases, passbook automatically increases. When passbook increasing, what we have to do here? Add. So we'll add checks issued but checks deposited. Issued, this is checks issued but not represented for payment. But not represented for payment. How many checks? 800, 400 and 1600. That's all, only 2 transactions. Debit to, receipts to deposit side we have compared. So we got 4 checks. 4 checks we have written here. And credit, that is payment side to withdrawal side we have compared. So there we got it 3 checks. 3 checks only. 3 checks we have written on the added side. Over, that's all. So we'll close this. We'll use the calculator. 1400, 2000, 2800. $12,175 and add these amounts. 1200 plus 2200 plus 5700 plus 3425. 12,525. Now if you see debit side, added items, if you add, you are getting 12,175. Deducted items are 12,528, 525. This is more. So 12,525 minus 12,175. You are getting 350. 350 is minus value. Minus value means favorable balance turns into overdraft. Now this is overdraft balance as per passbook. Are you getting it? Let me explain you very clearly. In the last problem also I told there is the same concept. Whenever you are getting negative answer, means this deducted items are more, positive items are less, then it is minus value. Minus value means favorable balance turns into overdraft. If we could have started with the negative, that is overdraft balance, then this would be favorable balance, opposite, when you get minus value. Now here also we got the minus value, minus 350 na. So this favorable balance turns into overdraft balance, opposite book only, always, book is opposite. So overdraft balance as per the passbook 350. Check it out, 350, where it is here. You can check the answer. 350 closing balance of March month means opening balance of April. So 350 overdraft balance, passbook overdraft balance. This is what we got. Overdraft balance as per the passbook 350. Same are tallying na. So you know that problem is correct. You can check the problem. So you can note down or take a screenshot. Hope I am clear with this bank reconciliation statement chapter. We have completed, and I would advise you strongly, please take textbook, any of your textbook. I would recommend Jain and Narang textbook, or R.L. Gupta is also good book, and you can go to any kind of book like Kalyani Publishers or Sultan Chand Publishers. financial accounting book you can take. My Khan, that is also good book. Or as per your prescribed book from your class teacher, please take that book, work out the problems. Method is same method. Take any problem, start workouting. The more you work out, the more you'll become perfect. Practice is much required. And don't worry, you are from commerce or non-commerce, it doesn't make any difference. Many people are asking, because academic year started, madam, I have come from non-commerce, I'm from biology, I'm from mathematics department, I don't know anything, can I learn? Easily you can learn. Nothing is, there is no rocket science in the commerce, only you have to understand the basics strongly. For understanding basics strongly, as I have started one playlist, accounts for beginners, you start with that. This video is also in the accounts for beginners playlist only. Please follow that starting to end. You'll become perfect, I guarantee it. So please learn and enhance your skills. Do help someone who are struggling to learn the subjects. I have already covered a lot more subjects like business law, business statistics, and management accounting, BCRW, economics. So all these subjects already covered. Cost accounting also, few concepts already covered. Financial management is also there. Please check out the playlist. Whatever is required as per your syllabus, use it. Okay, so stay connected with me, practice well, have a bright future. Shortly I'll come up with new chapter. Till that period, take care. Good luck.